In this video, you will learn how to become a notary loan signing agent in Pennsylvania. In this video you will learn all of the steps to teach you how to become a notary loan signing agent in Pennsylvania. It's best if you watch the entire video so you do not miss any crucial step in the process. Step 1. Meet the basic requirements. The first step to become a notary signing agent in Pennsylvania is that you will need to meet all of the Pennsylvania state basic requirements. These are as follows. You will need to be at least 18 years of age. You must be a citizen or permanent legal resident of the U.S. You need to be a resident of Pennsylvania or employed within this Commonwealth. You will need to be able to read and write English. You must have the honesty, integrity, competence and reliability to be a notary. This means you can have no felony, offense involving fraud, dishonesty or deceit on your record. Step 2. Complete the Notary Public Education course. The next step to become a notary loan signing agent in Pennsylvania is that you will need to complete the Pennsylvania Notary Public Education course. This is a 3-hour course as mandated by the state of Pennsylvania, and it must be taken by an education provider that is approved by the Pennsylvania Department of State. This short course will give you the needed information to become a Pennsylvania notary loan signing agent and will help prepare you for the state notary exam. We have placed a link to the list of approved education providers below this video, or you can find them on the Pennsylvania Department of State website. Once you have completed the Pennsylvania notary course, depending on the provider, you should be able to download the certificate of course completion. Step 3. Submit your online notary application. Your next step on the road to become a notary loan signing agent in Pennsylvania is that you will need to submit the online notary application to the Pennsylvania Department of State. The application process is done online on the Pennsylvania Department of State website. As part of the application process, you may be required to upload certain documents which are as follows. Proof of your completion of the notary education. Criminal history, notary public, professional or occupational license, disciplinary documentation and explanation, but this is only if it's applicable to your situation. You will need to pay a $42 application fee which can be paid by credit card. Step 4. Pass the Pennsylvania notary exam. The next step on your journey to become a notary signing agent in Pennsylvania is that you will need to take and pass the Pennsylvania notary exam. About 4 to 6 weeks after you submit your notary application, you will get an email from Pearson VUE with details about the exam. Pearson VUE will administer the notary exam. You will go to a testing center on the day of the exam. Be sure to bring 2 pieces of identification, and at least 1 form of ID must have your photo on it. This can be a U.S. state driver's license or passport. The notary exam will cost $65. There will be 30 questions on the exam, with 25 of them being scored and 5 others being pretest items. You will need a score of 75 or higher to pass the exam. It will take approximately 30 days for the Pennsylvania Department of State to process your notary commission appointment after you pass the exam. You will then receive a notice of appointee letter from the Pennsylvania Department of State. Step 5. Purchase a surety bond. Next, to become a notary loan signing agent in Pennsylvania, you will need to buy a $10,000 Pennsylvania notary surety bond. This is a requirement of the Pennsylvania Department of State. You will need to purchase this from a licensed surety such as a notary bonding company, an insurance company, or a notary organization. It's important to remember that the surety bond will not protect you as the notary. The bond is meant to protect those to whom you provide notary services. For your own protection, you may want to consider getting errors and omissions insurance. Step 6. File bond and take an oath of office. The next step in the process to become a notary signing agent in Pennsylvania is that you will need to file the surety bond and take the Pennsylvania notary oath of office. To do this, you will need to take the surety bond to the county clerk in the county that you live in. You will take an oath of office and the county clerk will certify the bond and oath for filing and record. Within 45 days, you will need to register your signature with the prothonotary of your county as well. Step 7. Receive your notary certificate of appointment. Next, to become a notary signing agent in Pennsylvania is that you will receive your Pennsylvania Notary Commission certificate from the Recorder of Deeds. This will also include a wallet card. Be sure that all the information on the Notary Commission certificate is accurate. Step 8. Get the notary business stamp and journal. The next step to become a Pennsylvania notary loan signing agent is that you will need to obtain a Pennsylvania notary seal so you can notarize documents. You can buy a notary seal from most office supply stores. Be sure that your stamp meets all of the regulatory rules set by the state. The Pennsylvania Department of State says that it needs to be a rubber stamp seal with a plain border and have a maximum height of 1 inch and width of 3.5 inches. Here is a bit more information from the Pennsylvania Department of State about the seal. The stamp/seal must contain, in the following order: the words Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, the words Notary Seal, the name as it appears on the Commission of the Notary Public and the words Notary Public, the name of the county in which the Notary Public maintains an office, the date the Notary Public's commission expires, the Notary Commission number. The Pennsylvania Department of State also requires that you keep a notary journal, or as it is sometimes called, a notary register. It is mandated by the state that the journal be bound with pre-printed pages. The entries must be recorded in chronological order. You can purchase a notary journal at most office supply stores or through notary associations. Be sure that you keep the notary seal and notary journal locked in a secure place at all times. Step 9. Get educated to make profit. The last step to become a notary loan signing agent in Pennsylvania is not mandatory. However, it's probably the most important part of the process if you want to have a successful notary loan signing business. The first steps show you how to become a notary public in Pennsylvania, because you must be a notary first before you can become a notary loan signing agent. In order to learn how to get jobs, to do loan signings, meet escrow standards and more, you will need to get educated. The state course mentioned in Step 2 will not teach you these things. The state course is meant to teach you the basics of being a notary public and to prepare for the state notary exam. However, it does not teach anything about creating a notary loan signing agent business. We have listed one of the top notary loan signing agent courses below this video. This course will teach you how to take being a notary and turn it into a profitable notary signing agent business. Note, the information in this video is subject to change. Check with your state to verify current requirements. This video is not intended as legal advice and/or state/federal notary public training. Check with your state to be sure that loan signing agents are utilized in the closing process. Always follow your state's notary laws and best practices. Please don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel.